So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Dixon Technology share. So many people are having queries regarding the levels. So previously, when we have discussed near 3,300 rupees level, so we have given that midterm targets would be around 3,700 as well as 3,800. So currently, it has closed near 3,945. So what would be the next immediate target? So we'll try to find out. So market again is in little volatile condition. So yesterday, we know that a huge correction was seen in the market, but Dixon Technologies has given very good movement, but many stocks that we have discussed exactly near the support region, so they have retraced very well. So today also many stocks have given good positive movement. So what would be the next target and all, so we'll try to discuss. And if you're having any doubt regarding any stock, you can message me in Instagram. So in Instagram I am discussing all the levels, especially if you're having any doubt, so that you can have a clarity and confidence regarding the stock. So do message in Instagram and clarify your doubts. So now let's start our discussion on Dixon Technologies. Okay, so if we see how the deliveries have been taken today, if we see almost 54.31% deliveries have been taken, and if you see quantity traded, you can see 4 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see roughly 2,19,000 shares have been taken into deliveries, and percentage wise 54.31 is the delivery percentage. So that is pretty good delivery percentage. So on an average base, we are seeing in Dixon 50% deliveries are taken. So let's see that also. Okay, so you can see on an average of almost 50% deliveries are being taken on a regular basis. So you can see on April 19th, 45.8% deliveries have been taken, and you can see almost 2.5% positive movement was seen. And similarly on April 16th, the stock has given a very huge movement. You can see 6.8% movement was seen, and you can see 44.21% deliveries have been taken. So as we discussed, so deliveries are increasing on a regular basis. So already after the split, the stock has consolidated in a particular range, and it was not able to give a good breakout. But after it has corrected in a good manner, so now it is trying to show the potential, and it is moving in a very good manner. So now let's switch out to the technical charts, and we'll see what are the next supports as well as resistances. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts of Dixon Technology. So this is the previous level only. I'm not updated that. So this particular chart you can find in Telegram group as well. So this particular level, when we previously discussed near 3,400, near 3,300. So that time I've drawn this particular level, and I told clearly watch this. And if you want to do any sort of swing trade or positional trade, so those will be beneficial. So how to find out stocks for swing trade, positional trade? So that I have discussed in our second channel, that is Stocks Diary Education. So if you have not subscribed to that particular channel, so do subscribe it. So quality education definitely you will be getting, and any instant updates and all, you can join the Telegram group. Okay, so total 3 groups are there, so make sure you're joined in that, so that you will have some knowledge regarding what is happening in the market. Okay, so now let's see what would be the next levels. So you can see currently it is near around 3,945 rupees. So we can say that next immediate resistance would be around 4,000 rupees level. So earlier we know it has gone above 4,000. After that only it has continuously showed some correction because of little profit booking, and also the PE basically, which was little high, but later again the stock after correction it has reduced that PE, and now again it is showing the retracement. Okay, so now what would be the next immediate support? So support wise, I can tell you that next immediate support would be 3,800. Okay, so that would be the support for short term, and after that if it corrects further, if you see anything, you can see 50-day exponential moving average is also present near 3,750. So those would be the near term supports, but you need to focus on resistance as well, that is 4,000. So if it crosses the 4,000, so again the bullishness will be seen, and it will continue the rally. So why? Because already we know it has some very good potential for the long term as well, especially in the electrical consumer segment, and also many positive updates are there, and many brokerages are also updating their target. So now in the current situation, it is going to be very important stock, because not only mid cap stocks, large cap stocks, so stocks specifically if we discuss, so this particular company has a very huge potential. So when we discussed even the fundamentals, I clearly told you each and every dip of Dixon is going to be very important. Okay, so whenever PE is decreasing, if you're watching that, and whenever it is approaching the levels which basically we discuss, so try to average at that particular levels. So money flow index, you can see currently it has entered into the overbought region, so it is near 87. So any further correction, we can see that whenever it's going to overbought, it's coming to oversold, again it's going to overbought, again it is coming to oversold. So as I discussed, 3800, 3750 would be the best entry in this particular stock for long term, and also you can carry forward it to any sort of swing trade. Okay, so these are the possible levels. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section, and also you can connect me in Instagram as well. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.